Greetings to all tech explorers. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey through heavy machinery, modern inventions, and the incredible advances of technology on mega technology. Equipped with durable rubber tracks and a rotating system, the Moruka MST-1000 VDL is designed to move over even the longest terrain and easily unload loads where you need them. Its compact size and excellent maneuverability make it ideal for working in tight spaces. In addition, the air-conditioned ROPS cab provides a comfortable and safe working environment for operators. With all these features and more, this machine model is the ideal choice for those who need a reliable and efficient transportation solution in a compact package. The CAT 630 hydraulic mining excavator is a favorite of the company's customers, and for good reason, we have to admit. It delivers the highest engine power in its class, as well as the mobility and flexibility needed for a 300-ton machine to deliver the performance expected and reliably required. In fact, the 630 is the only excavator in its class with two engines that are Tier 4 final compliant, eliminating the need for diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, and saving time and money in maintenance. Turning millions of obsolete vehicles into usable materials requires not only time and effort, but also advanced technology. The Kobelco SK140 SRD7 is the pinnacle of automotive recycling engineering, offering a solution that combines innovative design and high performance. Utilizing Kobelco Performance X design principles, this excavator sets new standards in ergonomics and efficiency, making recycling faster, easier, and more cost-effective. With its advanced design and powerful capabilities, the machine doesn't just handle waste, it turns the challenges of recycling into opportunities for sustainability, confirming its role as an indispensable element in modern materials recycling. Here comes Volvo's HX1 autonomous dump truck, which sets new standards in the construction industry. With its 15-ton payload and all-electric engine, the HX1 is the pinnacle of engineering and sustainability. From four-wheel steering for improved maneuverability to an energy recovery system that maximizes every bit of energy expended, this dump truck is packed with advanced technology. With zero emissions, the HX1 is an eco-friendly solution that reduces environmental impact and improves air quality on job sites. Forget about overflowing bins thanks to the PackMat compactor. One pass and the raw material is already converted into compact material, making room for new material. And what's even better, PackMat also offers a solution to easily transport these bins, making the waste management process as efficient as possible. The MD500 helicopter with air saw is one of the best tools for pruning trees in the right season. Thanks to this unusual technique, it is possible to efficiently cut off excess branches, especially those interfering with power lines in any cooperative. A special invention is used for this purpose, a long aluminum tube with 10 rotating blades. It swings among the trees and cuts down deciduous branches with ease. The 830-pound pneumatic saw can do in an hour the same amount of work that our hand crew can do in a few days. With its stable and robust splitter twin wave screening platform, the Track Splitter X2 is an expert for heavy, sticky, and partially uncrushed materials, stones, clay, contaminated landfill soil. Thanks to the trough-shaped design and the tilt angle adjustment, the material stays on the screen deck longer, is cleaned of sticky impurities, and reliably separated into two fractions. In addition to producing the finished product, the Splitter X2 is also ideally suited for preparing the material for subsequent processes. Like all the company's machines, the Splitter X2 is characterized by a wide range of adjustment options, as well as clog-free and rewind-free operation. The Narva E24 Energy Head is used in thinning, field clearing, road right-of-way maintenance, and parks in urban areas. This technique is suitable for harvesting energy wood with a diameter of 9.4 inches and also has a storage unit. Connects to a manipulator instead of a grapple. It can be used with tractors weighing 5 to 8 tons, excavators, forestry trailers, and sorting trucks. Among the features of the unit, it is worth mentioning the control without electricity, excellent load properties, fast guillotine cutting, easy installation, and no additional hydraulics. Looking for a semi-trailer that can adapt to any transportation task? Yangzhou Vulcan Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited offers a semi-trailer with retractable sections that can change its dimensions to optimally fit the load. This feature allows you to transport large volumes or irregular loads with ease. In addition, the exceptional maneuverability thanks to the advanced wheel system and the lifting mechanism make loading and unloading much easier. With this semi-trailer, every delivery becomes more efficient and cost-effective, making it an excellent choice for businesses looking to maximize productivity. The new 995 FDM proves once again that Lugong is focused on heavy-duty mining, quarrying, and demolition applications where cost per ton, reliability, operator safety, and comfort are key factors. The model features 3 operating modes: Eco, Standard, and Power. The 10 engine speeds allow the operator to balance power and efficiency to suit the requirements of the application. The 995 FDM also features an advanced adjustable electro-hydraulic system. This equipment has advanced functionality, including the ability to float the boom. The engine is an 18.1-liter, 447-kilowatt Perkins engine that delivers best-in-class breakout force at low RPM and high torque. Meet the Rototilt R3, the master of manipulation for excavators weighing between 6 and 12 tons. With a breakout torque of 85 kilonewton-meters, this unit is rewriting the rules of the game for the most compact machines. Whether it's construction or cleaning railroad tracks with a special mounted rotating brush, the R3's integrated slewing mechanism promises unmatched precision and performance, supported by 250-bar hydraulics. With its central lubrication system and load-holding valves, every task becomes easier. You see a universal excavator planer UDS 224 on the chassis of a Kamaz vehicle. The machine is used for excavation and quarry works, and in combination with interchangeable attachments, it is used in trenching, canals, at construction sites during road maintenance, tunnel and bridge maintenance, as well as repair of gas and oil pipelines. The main unique feature of this model is the absence of a separate engine to drive the superstructure of the machine, and the use of the Kamaz chassis power unit for these purposes. This allowed to make the superstructure lighter and shorter, and its operation easier and cheaper, giving the machine a modern design and better ergonomics. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Kobelco took demolition to a new level with the 10E Series SK1300 DLC when it launched the world in 2022. And now, as you can see, this huge machine is playing a key role in the redevelopment of Rotterdam, transforming an old hospital into a place for knowledge and innovation. Designed for ease of logistics and outstanding performance from up to 131.2 feet, this 130-ton behemoth has unique features, from a redesigned arm with dismounting capabilities to a modular frame design and an innovative cab with left-hand closure. So what we have here is not just a demolition machine, but a true marvel of the future designed to change urban landscapes. This drum mulcher gets its name because of its cylindrical shape, resembling a drum. Skid Steer Drum Mulcher is a heavy-duty land-clearing mulcher that attaches to a variety of mini-loaders and shreds small trees and clears them with a rotating forward motion. The patented spiral tine pattern, modeled after a vacuum brush, provides efficient material flow to the center of the drum. The 2-speed variable displacement piston motor is protected by a low-profile frame for maximum performance and visibility. The Diamond Mower's drum mulcher has 3 choices of powerful mulching tines to meet the requirements of any, even the most challenging project. Meet the powerful and aggressive Savannah Model 1720 stump grinder that will change the way you approach land management. This revolutionary machine features a unique wheel-turning system that allows it to efficiently and quickly work different types of terrain. With this uprooter, you can get not only a clean sight, but also the confidence that every square foot of land is being used to its maximum potential. The unusual appearance of the Savannah rotary rake model 1257 is sure to catch your eye. But the true value of this machine lies in its special functionality. Despite its unique design, the rake offers an outstanding quality of work, ensuring a clean and uniform collection of material. This machine is ideal for agricultural and landscaping applications where you need efficient cleaning without compromising on performance. This giant of a tool, equipped with powerful teeth, can easily carry massive volumes of wood. No longer just a helper, but a real hero loader, ready to safely deliver your goods wherever you need them. Do you like this unusual combination of bulldozer and anchor chain? It should be said at once that these beasts are ideal assistants for some tasks of deep clearing of wooded areas, which other machines would simply never cope with. A massive anchor chain is attached between 2 powerful bulldozers, and then during their pass, rips trees of various sizes out of the ground, along with roots and everything else. These anchor chains can weigh on the order of 20,000 pounds, and with each pass, they uproot hundreds of trees and other unwanted vegetation. The K-Tech Model 1228 ADT is a powerful machine with excellent maneuverability. K-Tech's lowest cost to install ADT scraper provides high productivity on small, heavy-duty construction sites. The all-welded rigid frame model 1228 ADT has a 28 cubic yard payload capacity, which is highly impressive. The 1228 ADT is an attractive choice for contractors who have older or idle ADTs in their fleet, with 25 to 35 ton capacities that can be converted into efficient and versatile scraper dump trucks. The Meebor 1300 HTZ, a leading player among horizontal bandsaws, sets productivity records by processing up to 90 cubic meters of wood in a single shift. Its special feature is its wide blade and high precision, making it an indispensable tool in sawmills where quality and efficiency are valued. Maston Brook's unrivaled range includes groundbreaking innovations that deliver efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. Their new 4020 model, for example, was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for installation on drainage slopes with significantly greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards are the main principles the manufacturer followed when creating the Model 4020 drainage plow. By the way, it runs plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches. And it has a Volvo Penta 4th-stage diesel engine, rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. The Vuomet snowplow blade is a true all-purpose snow-clearing device. This multifunctional device works both as a snow drift cutter and as a side blade that increases the working width. The large swivel sector of the snow wall blade developed by the company, 213 degrees, makes a variety of uses possible. The wing housing has a large wear base that supports the wing and increases precision. Collision protection is provided by a safety valve, pressure accumulator, and shear bolt. The BMS is SEPI's powerful mulcher for attachment to excavators from 20 to 30 tons. Thanks to its clever design, high performance, and reliability, the unit is capable of shredding bushes and trees up to 12 inches in diameter. Many consider the BMS to be the best excavator mulcher in its class. The body and hood design allows the branch or tree to be cut first and then shredded in one step with the hood closed. The mulcher's applications range from the shredding of logging debris in forests to the shredding of trees and stumps along roads, pipelines, riverbanks, and canals. The complex system of the entire large mechanism creates a perfectly compressed raw material that is instantly ready for use. The efficiency and thoughtfulness of the process is astonishing. Safe and fast, its quick installation characterizes this crane. This crane from the company's line of heavy-duty machines has numerous features that increase productivity, provide quick and easy installation, and is easy to use and very reliable. With 90 tons of load torque, a horizontal boom outreach of 113 feet with a jib, and a vertical boom outreach of up to 125 feet, this incredibly reliable crane is ideal for lifting heavy loads over long distances. Want to know how to cut I-beam steel and pipe efficiently? The CAT S3070 shears are ideal for hydraulic excavators weighing 30 to 45 tons. With a 7-ton weight capacity, 40-inch jaw depth, and 32-inch opening width, these shears can handle the roughest materials, steel plates, and pipes with high efficiency. With exceptional durability and easy maintenance, the CAT S3070 is an indispensable tool in various scrap metal and steel recycling facilities. And in this video, we can clearly see the cutting power of the machine. The C912S crawler dump truck is up to the task even on rough terrain. This powerful machine convinces with its high transport performance, relatively low emissions, economical consumption, and maximum safety. 2 hydrostatic power transmissions with constant full power, optimum weight distribution under any load, and a hydraulic parking brake for guaranteed safe holding even on extreme gradients enable the dump truck to work on almost any terrain. Colmar T10000 Modification FSCG is a specialized road rail crane based on the popular T10000 rail loader and is capable of 360-degree road and rail crane operation. Colmar has produced over 2,000 rail loaders in 30 years and is the #1 manufacturer in Italy and the UK, where several contracting companies operate large fleets of rail vehicles. The load capacity of this crane on rails is just over 12 tons, with a maximum capacity of 14 tons achieved by extending the Caterpillar tracks for extra stability. The maximum horizontal outreach is 49 feet. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability and small dimensions. How often can one machine change an entire work process? With Grattle hydraulic excavators and their attachments, this becomes a reality every day. Armed with everything from grapples to road mowers and even branch cutters, these machines are ready to tackle any job. And the addition of Telestick only adds to their already impressive capabilities, extending their reach and allowing them to work even more efficiently. Grattle attachments really do open up new horizons in construction and grounds maintenance. Just watch as the corner of the piece is cut with unbelievable skill, transforming it into a perfect product that is exactly as specified. Interesting. Transporting vehicles is a process that requires not only logistical skill, but also special attention to the safety of the vehicles being transported. The Blythe 6-car transporter brings these requirements to life by offering a sophisticated system for safe and efficient transportation. Equipped with innovative securing mechanisms, it secures the vehicles at all stages of the journey. The unique platform design optimizes space by adapting to vehicles of different sizes and classes. The system of loading and unloading vehicles is maximally simplified, which reduces operation time and minimizes risks for logistics personnel. The magical union of the human mind and the machine creates the impossible, turning any task into child's play. Together they blur all boundaries, easily conquering new heights. Recently, a specialized vessel that regulates flows at the receiving end of oil and gas pipelines was successfully transported 50 miles inland from Ohio. A unique technology was used to transport this 450,000-pound behemoth, a 12-axle Goldhofer 2-lane train from Buckingham Heavy Transport. This solution allowed the weight to be evenly distributed and ensured that all necessary permits were obtained, which was key to safe and efficient transportation. Some processes and ideas can look so cool that you just don't want to take your eyes off of them. You must agree that video has a kind of relaxing effect. This is not just a machine, but a virtuoso of speed art that turns the process into the magic of assembling a mosaic. Every action is a spectacle that is impossible to look away from. Meet the car jack elevator that redefines power. This powerful device truly plays with the weight of a car like a feather, demonstrating that the words obstacle and impossible are simply not in its vocabulary. The Volvo FMX is packed with built-in features that make demanding tasks easier. The rugged cab provides improved forward visibility, and cameras can be viewed on the side display for enhanced safety. A traction control panel helps the driver deal with potentially dangerous situations both on and off-road, and the incredible 38-ton bogie greatly enhances productivity by increasing payload. Truly a truck on which to build the future. An exciting new video, the Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle can traverse any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion BJ Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, easily tackling the most impassable of obstacles. The car was built on the platform of the British reconnaissance armored car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The auto has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on original design wheels. 2 of them are driven by internally controlled hydraulic motors. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and obstacles with ease. It also features a powerful Chevrolet LS engine in the rear of the vehicle. The VMM 310 from SNP Private Limited brings the world into the era of brick automation, becoming the first fully automatic system of its kind. This machine is a true speed champion, producing 12,000 bricks every hour, thanks to its unique ability to move on wheels. It provides a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, reducing the need for workers and water usage to a minimum. The bricks created by the VMM 310 are not only 3 times stronger than traditional bricks, but also cost 45% less. The machine can work with various raw materials, including clay and fly ash, producing different types of brick and giving owners the freedom to produce anywhere and anytime, opening up new horizons in brickmaking. Working on difficult soils or in cramped conditions? No worries! The Bomag BMP 8500 is ideal for these situations. This versatile roller is specifically designed for compacting cohesive soil and delivers excellent results in trenching, building backfill, sewer, and pipeline installation. Its stability and power allow you to get the job done safely and efficiently, eliminating the risk of tipping and keeping your workplace clean, even in the most demanding conditions. The HS57 is a heavy-duty mini-loader attachment that removes the collar and surrounding surface of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. The HS57 manhole saw was designed to get the job done by one operator and skid steer loader. The self-aligning hydraulic clamp attaches easily and securely to the collar. It provides a 57-inch diameter hole cut and lifts the collar and surrounding concrete asphalt layers once the cut is complete. The HS57 takes only 5 to 15 minutes to operate with one operator and a skid steer loader, drastically reducing labor hours and closing streets by as much as 75%. The cutting process is accomplished through the use of hydraulics, which creates downward pressure on the cutting drum rather than the weight of the mini loader. Czech company Tatra has revealed its promising model, a truck with a fuel cell propulsion system. With a gross vehicle weight of 45 tons, the Force eDrive has traction electric motors with a combined output of 480 kilowatts, 653 horsepower, and 2,300 newton meters. All this torque is distributed between the wheels of the 3 rear axles. The engines are powered by a unit with fuel cells. In them, there is an electrochemical reaction of hydrogen with air, or rather with oxygen, resulting in the production of electricity, and as a side effect, water is formed. Thus, the Force eDrive's only exhaust is water vapor. The newfangled truck-mounted live bottom trailer that you see is a unit that offers the same versatility, functionality, and safety as the Trout River live bottom trailer. This unit allows you to work in tight, confined spaces without worrying about overhead obstructions. Some key features include a 34-inch wide conveyor system with a versatile all-season belt, forward and reverse control for the conveyor belt, and hydraulic feed and return lines. Other interesting features include the patented TRI chain with 3-inch pitch and removable crossbar, an adjustable chain lubrication system, and a pneumatically operated and electrically operated rear door opens 90 degrees. Featuring a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, this heavy-duty machine delivers the proven performance inherent in all Collier and Miller machines. The C&M channeler attachment is available to customers with a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration, or with the ability to be built to specific size requirements upon request. DJ Products Cart Caddy HD electric platform cart safely moves heavy equipment weighing up to 50,000 pounds, making it easier than ever to move wheeled equipment. The Cart Caddy's 5,000-pound electric or hydraulic lift system transfers the weight of the load to the drive wheels for the best traction. The Cart Caddy HD motorized chain-driven traction unit has an optional drive feature that allows the operator to stand on the platform to control the unit. Another option is that the unit can be pulled in the traditional way by standing in front of the unit and steering it forward or backward. Are you looking for a forest maintenance solution that combines lightness and high efficiency? The MIDI-Force Shredder from SEPI-M is your ideal choice. With its unique design, including a smart rotor and an optimally designed chopping chamber, this machine delivers maximum productivity by utilizing the power of your tractor to its full potential. It can turn trees and shrubs up to 9.8 inches in diameter into chips, and the MIDI-Force is ideal for cleaning power lines, roadside areas, and other areas. Offering working widths of 5.7, 6.6, and 7.4 feet, the tool ensures flexibility in all conditions. Stop and admire this machine in action. Its movements resemble the work of a skilled seamstress who, hook by hook, brings a magnificent fabric to life. The precision and accuracy of the workmanship make the manufacturing process a true art. The new Rheinmetall MAN UDS HX 8x8 armored or unarmored soft-skin version of the vehicle, which is designed to support engineering troops. It is used as a crane plus heavy excavator with a 47.9-foot telescopic boom, lifting up to 7 tons with a 360 degrees rotating head. Often used by the military in training, operations, and disaster response, this HX 8x8 heavy-duty recovery vehicle is a great helper in such challenging applications. What do you think of this technological marvel? It's like a maestro of an orchestra, controlling his instruments with incredible precision. Notice that every movement is like a masterclass for the pros, setting new standards in the world of masters. Prime Robotics offers industry-leading pallet automation solutions that are the best choice for warehouse, factory, and e-commerce operations. These dynamic pallet grippers significantly reduce the need for manual labor and greatly increase the efficiency of workflows. With high load capacity and the ability to handle multiple pallets simultaneously at a single station, Prime Robotics provides an intelligent, scalable, flexible, and highly efficient approach to pallet management operations. With this approach, businesses can optimize processes and improve their bottom line, while increasing the safety and accuracy of warehouse operations. You see an all-electric, remote-controlled mulcher that can work from 3 to 5 hours without recharging, depending on the working conditions. This model is equipped with electric brakes. The machine works well on steep slopes up to 55 degrees, and the operator is always in a safe place, which is also important. Balanced weight distribution, wide-track chassis track, and low center of gravity ensure gentle treatment of the soil and safe off-road use. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. Friends, meet Volvo's new state-of-the-art log loader, the L200H high-lift model. Compared to its predecessor, this machine is distinguished by its improved key features, such as 12.2-ton capacity, a larger grapple equipped with a stronger rotator that reduces pendulum motion during operation. In addition, first-class LED lighting provides improved visibility, and a collision avoidance system enhances safety, a critical aspect of log yard wood handling for Hasslatcher and its operators. Imagine a vehicle that easily carries the wings of the future. Wind blades the length of a soccer field and weighing up to 35 tons. That's what Dahl offers with its pioneering trailers for the wind energy industry. Forget the fear of high center of gravity and torque. These trailers are stable and safe at any speed. Loading? Faster than you can drink a cup of coffee. Maneuverability? Like an acrobat, able to perform maneuvers with incredible precision thanks to hydraulic steering and a wide steering angle. Dahl turns blade transport not into a chore, but into a masterclass of grace and engineering, showing that even the most monumental tasks can be accomplished with surprising ease and style. It is impressive to witness the process by which rigid metal becomes flexible and obedient in the hands of a professional machine. It's almost like magic. Complex shapes and curves emerge from an unyielding material with a special ease. Extreme Z is characterized by a pivot joint articulating the first arm, which significantly increases the positioning capabilities of the arm and therefore the mower head, allowing you to easily handle critical operating conditions. The Extreme Z makes it easier to work on narrow roads without cluttering the roadway, as well as mow terrain, being able to stay close to the edge of the road and maximize the boom length. In the closed position, the machine remains more compact, making it easier to move and maneuver on the road. True generators of creative thought will always find, albeit the most unusual method, to breathe life into an old, rusty, and well-worn structure. Bravo, guys! Chemrock KSI is a Schuppe injection attachment for the penetration of cement slurry into cohesive soils. The KSI injection attachment range was developed in cooperation with a German specialized civil engineering company and is the basis of the Schuppe process. The Schuppe process is a soil stabilization system using excavator attachments to inject and mix a defined concrete slurry into non-bearing soils, KSI, which, when cured, create a homogeneous, impermeable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. The hydraulic metal baler is used for shredding, cutting, and bagging a wide range of scrap metal. The Moros handles large and sturdy structures such as steel sheets, washing machines, other household appliances, and even entire cars in a particularly cool manner. This powerful machine efficiently presses the leftovers of all kinds of metal materials to give the shape of cuboid, octagon, cylinder, etc., resulting in lower transportation and smelting costs. Among the advantages, it is a fast block, which greatly improves the efficiency of the technique. Moros has a stable and quite powerful hydraulic drive system, and also, optionally, performs work in fully automatic mode. Wow! Watch as this device spins and instantly wraps pipes into a package. It's a real-time and energy saver with anyone who has ever tried to pack a pipe themselves. The Twinka ES500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. We can't help but marvel. On the screens, we see the modern engineering marvel of the pickup machine, the epitome of speed and efficiency working hard. It is like a wizard, transforming any field into a model of order and cleanliness in just a few moments. The vehicle on your screens is specially designed to optimize farmers' working time. Even more, with such a large cutter combined with a loading channel, this machine is revolutionizing vertical self-propelled mixers. And what can I say? This machine is ideal for companies with numerous animals and high productivity. This is the first generation of 3-axle excavators, the innovative EHF 250 Turbo Forestry Excavator from the renowned Eckel Hartstall GmbH. The new generation of forestry excavators combines careful timber harvesting with maximum flexibility in the use of the machine itself. Reduced ground pressure and increased traction with a tiny turning radius are possible thanks to wheel steering and lateral movement via Z gear. Watching the technological splendor that transforms ordinary parts into works of art by turning them is a fascinating experience. This process is magnetizing, and you won't be able to keep your eyes off it. Watch this video where Lasso is responsible for the transportation of the new overground metro cars in Lisbon. As one of the key players in the European special transportation market, Lasso Transports SA is always looking for reliable and technologically advanced trailers to develop its business. To meet the challenges of transporting rail vehicles, Lasso uses 2 multi-max semi-trailers with rails built into the load platform and 6 steerable crank axles, reducing the loading height to just 29 inches. Both machines are equipped with a powerful hydraulic winch and special ramp arms for a smooth loading and unloading process. Watching the process of making perfect metal molds is fascinating. Do you agree with me? With 535 horsepower and a 55-ton operating weight, the Caterpillar model E36K landfill compactor delivers the highest level of reliability, productivity, safety, operator comfort, serviceability, and efficiency in its class. As a representative of a family of machine that has been performing work on landfills for more than 20 years, this model is equipped with proven technologies that help maximize the efficiency of operations. Create a perfectly shaped metal product with smooth outlines and precise dimensions? No question at all. Having an arsenal of mechanized assistant working as accurately and efficiently as possible. In the woodworking industry, it is impossible to handle some processes manually or with some of the simplest units. On the contrary, the cooler the fixture, the better quality work you'll get done, and faster. When a machine appears in the field producing blazing flames, you can be sure that your crops are well protected. And in the evening, the work process looks incredibly spectacular. The Torsus Praetorian is the world's first heavy-duty 4x4 four-wheel drive heavy-duty bus. The Torsus is designed to transport personnel and equipment in harsh environments and locations where public roads are not available. Due to the use of the bus in harsh weather and road conditions, proven quality parts and components are used in production, from Michelin tires and Line-X ballistic coating to MAN engines and chassis. With this mechanized helper in your arsenal, soil preparation and seed sowing move to a new level of simplicity and efficiency. It is capable of plowing and sowing at the same time, significantly reducing labor costs and accelerating the process of working on the land. You see a trailed beach sweeper for cleaning up medium and small areas, 440 XL, from the popular brand Charrington. The principle of its work is simple: to sift sand and pick up debris in its hopper. The machine is also towed by a tractor of medium traction class. Furthermore, this model is perfect for cleaning beach sports grounds, equestrian areas, and even in agriculture. Something is about to happen that will make your heart freeze. A huge excavator, seemingly monumental and unshakable, instantly disappears into the magnitude of the Earth's trench. It's hard to resist admiration as you watch the creation of human hands collide with the might of nature. Perkins STC moves a steam generator over the mountains to its final destination over 1,500 miles away. An incredibly difficult job that someone still needs to do. That's exactly the purpose of this special trailer, which is a heavy-duty, 2-lane, 24-line, 400-ton capacity vehicle used to haul oversized loads over long distances. How it all looks like, you can observe it yourself. I am amazed every time how people can come up with so many things. Take machine tools. They turn heavy metal into small but very useful things. It's like magic. you take a piece of iron and make it something useful and significant out of it. Have you ever seen a spacecraft's giant external fuel tank being transported? The transport of NASA's latest such tank, ET-94, to the California Science Center turned into quite a spectacle. This unique and massive project attracted thousands of spectators who gathered to watch the process. Thanks to a high-tech transportation system, this huge, space-age artifact slowly but surely reached its destination, demonstrating the wonders of modern logistics and engineering. The entire route was carefully planned to ensure the safety and security of the unusual cargo, making this an unforgettable event for all witnesses. We are faced with a real intriguing moment. A mysterious material with impressive dimensions slowly emerges from an impressive steel tube. The question arises, what are we dealing with? I'm always amazed by the inexhaustible source of ideas and creativity of those who strive to move in unison with the era of change. It is especially wonderful that the results of their creative impulse are brought to light at specialized exhibitions, where each invention becomes a window into tomorrow. A primary ripper that is designed to help farmers remediate difficult soils characterized by stratification, extremely hard soils, rocks, or stumps. It's all about the rocks gone, H4. This hydraulic refinator was designed specifically to help alleviate soil depth limitations and increase crop and pasture productivity. The innovative refinator H4 has a working width of 118 inches and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. Some of the rocks it crushes can have a hardness of about 70 megapascals, which is significantly denser than good concrete. Farmers can typically process about 10 acres per day with the refinator H4, which can run faster than many other deep ripping machines. When a cool machine is working, it is better not to interfere with it and just watch the process from the side. After all, it will do all the most complex processes without even bothering. In front of you is a new machine from the company Luff, which, according to the manufacturer's idea, has its own purpose. The rescue vehicle you see now on your screens is capable of evacuating conspicuous or burning electric cars from narrow parking lots. A remote-controlled vehicle allows emergency vehicles to remove cars from underground parking garages from a safe distance. Depending on the lifting method, vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons can be lifted. The machine's track chassis distributes the forces evenly over the ground. What about turning a routine into an adventure? Here's an example of a machine that does just that, turning a mundane site improvement into an exciting quest on wheels. As for the second one, it is the LH621 model. Such a productive machine with a lifting capacity of 21 tons, which combines the capabilities of an underground loader and a dump truck. By the way, it is the undisputed leader in terms of safety and productivity. The process of moving the ore mass can be further optimized by using the TH663 underground dump truck and loading it with 3 buckets per cycle. The path to mastery in the world of product turning is sometimes like swimming against the current, unpredictable, wet, and full of challenges. But it is these challenges that turn the process into an exciting adventure, leading to the creation of perfect parts. The CAT Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. CIFA's K67H model, mounted on trucks with a 196.85-inch wheelbase and equipped with a 7-section RRZ boom, introduces an innovation to the Carbotech range. With a boom length of 219.8 feet, this model expands the horizons of truck-mounted concrete pump applications, setting new standards. The uniqueness of the K67H is underscored not only by its scale, but also by the incorporation of advanced technology that provides unmatched efficiency on the job site. This miracle machine masterfully manages the task of perfect material distribution, easing the work of the craftsman to unbelievable limits. The technologically advanced M500E1000 is a new forestry mulcher for 18 to 25-ton excavators. It is ideal for carriers up to 230 horsepower with hydraulic fluid flow rates of 120 to 260 LPM, 31.7 to 70 GPM. The rugged and compact body of this equipment makes this model a versatile unit for mulching trees and dense brush. You can see for yourself on your screens how the M500E works. This cool forestry attachment will surprise even those who seem to have seen everything. Just look at how coolly the machine cuts old trees and moves them to safety, leaving only unsightly stumps. Italian manufacturer Baron has delivered its first AB23 SL bridge inspection rig to Hong Kong for use on the Lantau Link bridges. You can see now a whole series of bridges 2.17 miles long connecting Hong Kong International Airport to the city. The AB23 SL machine is capable of maneuvering the suspended spans of the bridge. In addition, the machinery is mounted on a 4-axle Volvo FM 420 8x4 truck chassis. The upper structure contains a bucket-type truck tower, which can work both under the bridge and overhead. The platform is capable of hauling loads up to 551 pounds. It has a horizontal reach under the bridge of 12 feet and an overhead reach of 87 feet. Cleaning turns into a fun activity with such an effective assistant, which is like a giant vacuum cleaner, instantly clears the roads of debris, restoring cleanliness and order. Now, let's take a look at the 4045 T-Series chain trencher from Interdrain in action. This is a mighty machine indeed, and it can easily handle such a task as laying a 15-inch Clark Farm drainage flexible agricultural slab. As you can see from the footage, nothing is impossible for the technological giant. The machine is also equipped with GPS auto grading, which is a huge advantage in this kind of work. ABS Remorques, manufacturer of semi-trailer conveyors and subsidiary of Manic, has launched the LRC product line. This updated version, lighter than the RC model, allows for a higher payload without sacrificing strength and durability. The new LRC model uses cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses, and extending the life of the trailer. A direct conveyor connection speeds up unloading speeds by 16% compared to a connection to a hydraulic unit. All these modifications have been made to improve safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. Camrock's EK140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. And the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. With the steer trencher of the new model SGF 800, you can mill cable ducts up to 12 inches wide and 32 inches deep in a short time. The trencher is suitable for cutting trenches of all requirements, such as empty pipes, water pipes, power lines, fiber optic routes, or drainage. With carbide-tipped cutters, the machine mills hard ground up to Class 7. How it works? An eccentric drive cutter wheel is lowered into the ground to the desired depth in slow motion. The cutting heads accelerate the material out of the trench, causing it to land on a side conveyor. It is hydraulically driven, so the belt speed can be continuously adjusted. This allows you to decide how far from the trench the material should be placed. Imagine a world where every pellet of material is placed exactly where it needs to be, thanks to an engineering marvel called the Ocie's Mini Padder. This small but mighty device contains a whole orchestra of features, from the carefully designed mechanisms inside the cab that allow you to easily glide, accelerate, and maneuver the mini padder, to the unique ability to fold it up for easy transport. And add that to the double rotation of the OR 200 series shaker, which is tuned for optimal screening and efficient material removal. The result is a tool that can miraculously transform any ditch. Integrated hydraulic actuators add the cherry on the cake, allowing you to fine-tune the position of the vibrating screen without affecting conveyor operation. With the Mini Padder Ocies, every project becomes easier and more efficient. Have you ever wondered how to keep your truck fleet perfectly clean without any extra effort? This new washing system is your answer. It's designed specifically for heavy equipment used in construction, mines, landfills, and other places where dirt is part of the daily grind. The system doesn't just wash the wheels and underbody, it does it automatically, efficiently, and environmentally friendly. Thanks to the closed water cycle, truck wash reduces water consumption, and the directionally adjustable nozzles guarantee perfect cleanliness, even at high pressure. ABI recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power split infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450, but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year. The Universal Pickup is a compact machine with a large steering angle for maximum maneuverability. The machine can move at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour, and its powerful 4-stroke engine with 18 horsepower allows you to pick at half speed. The machine has excellent performance regardless of the number of fruit collected, without damaging them. By the way, the picker can be used in both high and low stem orchards. And this machine can also be used on sea beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. The Hout Killer 1270 grubbing shears have been designed specifically for removing and processing biomass from large stumps with roots. This technique also copes perfectly with small and medium-sized stumps and other root material. The technology can be easily and simply mounted on any standard base machine. Thanks to the pre-shredding of stumps, the volume of material to be transported is reduced. Another possible application for this equipment is the subsequent shredding of stumps in recycling plants. You can count on low operating expenses and low wear and tear, thanks to the robust construction and the use of high-quality steels. The Vermeer VS350 single auger vertical mixer is the ideal machine for smaller operations. This model has a high-speed auger that optimizes mixing speed and provides thorough cleaning. Vermeer mixers feature a 4-point scale that helps improve accuracy over a 3-point scale. The scales help operators optimize rations and achieve more defined goals when feeding multiple pens. The scale also features Bluetooth connectivity, so operators can see the weight from their smart device. Featuring a 1/4-inch thick tub and a 1/2-inch thick floor, This mixer is small but powerful. Its sturdy components contribute to the machine's long-lasting performance and reliability. The self-propelled symbol of the Technoma range. Trust us, the laser opens up a new style in equipment. Depending on the surface, crop, and terrain, it comes with 4 tanks ranging from 2,500 to 5,200 liters and can be equipped with a boom from 24 to 44 meters. It has a wide range of tracks and clearance and can be equipped with optimal hydraulic adjustable track and/or hydraulic variable clearance (HVC). The Helioder compact disc harrow from Lemken is ideal for cultivating bare stubble or incorporation of surface residues from previous crops on light to medium soil types. When preparing the seedbed after plowing or in mulch sowing, the technique ensures an evenly loosened and level seedbed. In combination with the Solitaire pneumatic seeder from Lemken, you can get a fast and efficient combination for soil tillage. These features make the Helioder a true all-rounder, saving users valuable time and money. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.